Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you $80,000 Navy Federal Credit Card Flagship Visa. What do you need to know? But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to unlock a massive $80,000 limit on a single credit card, well, you need to know that the real magic isn't just about the massive spending power here. It's about how that high limit completely transforms your entire financial profile. Now, premium lenders here love to mirror your highest personal limit. So when deciding how much credit to grant you on both personal and business accounts. Now, to pull this off, you have to target the Navy Federal Flagship Visa specifically. Now, because it is the only card in their portfolio that can scale all the way to $80,000, and their other popular cards hit a hard ceiling at $50,000. Now, the journey here to that maximum limit boils down to a predictable timing game that takes between 3.5 years here, depending on where you start. Now, if you are approved for a standard unsecured card here, you immediately kick off the famous 91 and 3 rule. So meaning you wait exactly 91 days or 3 full billing cycles before requesting your very first credit limit here. Now, or your very first credit limit increase, so which caps out at a maximum jump of $8,000. So for every single increase after that first one, you must wait for a full 6 month or 180 days before asking for your next $8,000 bump here. Now, if you start with a secure card here, it will typically graduate into a $2,000 unsecured line in about 6 to 12 months. Because graduation counts as an increase, you wait 6 months from that day to ask for your next $8,000 jump. Now, once your card hits at least $5,000 and you've held it for a year, you just call them up and request a product change over the flagship Visa so you can keep riding that $8,000 escalator all the way to the top. Now, in this case, the secret fuel here that guarantees high limit approvals is going to be Navy Federal's unique internal scoring system. Now, since they are a member-owned credit union, they care more about your banking history with them than external credit scores. So to maximize this, you want to open their premium flagship checking account and a money market savings account. So letting those relationships age for 90 days before applying for a credit, and keeping at least like $1,500 in checking and $2,500 in savings while setting up direct deposit sends an incredibly strong trust signal that skyrockets your internal score and secure much higher starting limits. Now, of course, you have to get through the front door first here, but qualifying for membership is much easier than people think. Now, you don't need to be active duty military here. You can join if you share a household with a current member. So work as a civilian or contractor for the Department of Defense, or have any immediate family member, including parents, siblings, or grandparents, whoever serve. So even if they are no longer alive here, taking the time to unearth that one family connection is your ultimate golden ticket to unlocking this high limit framework. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.